our last tutorial for Managebac, where we'll be discussing miscellaneous features that you might not be familiar with. If you're like us and love to use shortcuts to make things easier, don't worry, because Managebac has some shortcuts that you can use. Let's say you're in one section of your Managebac and want to view the dashboard. Selecting the name of your school at the top right here can do just that. The search engine beside it also lets you jump to different sections of your Managebac like CAS, TOK, EE, and your portfolio in one click. You can even search through Managebac and use a filter search to find classes, files, resources, guides, and the OSC study. On the other hand, this plus icon allows you to access online lessons and add some IB requirements relating to your portfolio, CAS, TOK, and EE. Selecting this 3x3 square grid brings you to your account portal where you can view your connected applications like Managebac and manage your account portal profile. It has your personal information with sessions that include your device, IP address, and last access date. Now, if you just got your Managebac account recently and are still trying to set it up, you can check out a quick start checklist on things you need to do by going to the Help and Support button. It also shows additional services that Managebac offers, like its mobile app, a subject center, guides, and a Help and Support page. When your teacher posted a new event, message, or notes for your IB core subjects, you can get updated on them through the Messages and Notifications button. Here, you can search through all your notifications, mark them as read, and delete them. Selecting a notification or this View All Messages and Notifications button brings you to this page where you can check out the details of said notification. In the Notification Preference page, you can select what you want to be notified for and enable these notifications for web, email, and mobile. This dropdown also lets you get weekly notifications for a summary of any upcoming tasks, new messages, and resources. Once you're done, don't forget to save your changes, and these preferences will be applied to all the Managebac classes and groups you're in. On the top right of your Managebac, by selecting your profile picture, you can either manage your account or log out. Managing your account lets you view your profile information, academic overview including classes and upcoming tasks and deadlines, your dashboard summary, reflections, and reports. You can then sort them by the academic term from this drop-down. Editing your profile allows you to upload a profile picture and input your full name, preferred name, and other name. Your preferred name will appear in your profile in brackets, while your other name appears after a vertical divider like this. In addition, you can also add more personal information, your contact details, and change your default language to English, Spanish, French, or simplified Chinese. This landing page drop-down lets you change the default page you go to when you sign into Managebac. For example, instead of viewing your dashboard, when you log in, you'll see your portfolio instead. One of Managebac's personalization features is found in the Theme section, where you can change your color theme to these different colors to beautify your Managebac. Selecting this blue button on the top right lets you change your password by typing in your current one and confirming your new one. Just make sure to save your changes, but if you click Cancel, it will open your account manager in your account portal. This tiny blue question mark button at the bottom left is Managebac's own version of a help wizard, where you can search for any inquiries you have. It shows top suggestions which change depending on the page you're in. You can also contact the Managebac team for more help by selecting an issue and then filling in the details of the problem. To close the help wizard, you can simply click the dash on the top right here. That's a wrap from us for our Managebac series. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and of course turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload. See you next time!